Meiji Gakuin University in 440 meters.
And so over there, classrooms pa rin. Building number 2, building number 1. Tapos ito yung gymnasium cafeteria.
So what is Meiji Gakuin University?
Meiji Gakuin University is one of the oldest private universities in Japan. So
What is its counterpart in the Philippines?
I would say
Is it
it's probably UST. And over here, may food truck kami. There's a lot of vending machines. So, yan ang ganda for today's video. Uy, takoyaki! So, welcome to the school cafeteria. English pa or Tagalog?
Sige.
This is how you order food. They display yung food available for today. And then, what we do is choose yung code. We choose yung code niya dito. Hulugan mo, tapos pindutin mo, tapos lalabas.
Sorry, it's closed.
Sorry, close. So, lalabas yung top, tapos i-represent mo doon. This is served na yun.
Saan ang kainan?
So, over here, those condiments kasi nag-sell sila ng salad, ramen. Tapos dito, water tsaka green tea. Free naman lahat yan. Tapos
Okay.
yung nagsalat naman yung ganyan.
Ito yung box ng ano?